How to create Snapchat group. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to create Snapchat group, you need to go ahead and open your Snapchat application. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account and the Snapchat app is also updated to its latest version. Now tap on the chat or the conversation icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then tap on the pencil icon to open a new chat. Now select new group in the top. Go ahead and select members to add to your group. Once you've selected the members, go ahead and tap on chat with group that is highlighted in blue color in the bottom. And you can see that the group has been created and the group chats are deleted by default 24 hours after everyone views. You can tap to save a chat. Now tap on the name group in the top of the screen. Now you can go ahead and name this group. Tap on done in your keyboard. You can see that the name of the group has been set. You can go to the three dots in the top right corner of your screen and leave the group if you no longer want to be the part. You can also cancel the invite links, clear conversation, be in conversation. You can also add other members to your group. And you can invite someone via link by copying the link of the group. You can edit your group name again, go to notification settings and choose whether to mute or just simply enable it. Or you can also toggle the switch for keep snaps in the chat and the settings will be saved. Another thing you can do is you can just tap and hold onto a specific person that you want to remove from the group. Then tap on remove from group which is the initial option, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and create Snapchat group and manage it. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.